once you've got your grain line positioned straight down the side, and you've got your cross grain going across, you want to pin your armhole to the armhole shape that you've drawn. Pin it into place until you get to the underarm. And this is going to be a little bit lower than the basic sleeve because it's a blousier sleeve, so you want a little more fullness through the underarm. And then you're going to pin together the amount of fullness underneath that you want to see. Okay, so you'll place your pins to the amount of blousiness. Now the textbook measurement here is like a total of 28 inches. It's pretty full across. So you're going to pin that down all the way to the wrist, your bottom edges. And then when you remove it, you'll be doing a lot more truing up of that. I'm just going to do it quickly to get to that point. Pardon me. So when you get the amount of fullness you want, you do that. And then what they have, the textbook has you do is to take a elastic and kind of bring in the fullness that you want with the elastic. I'm going to blouse mine up. I'm not going to leave any down below because I'm a little shorter than that measurement. And then from there, once you get the shape you want of your sleeve, you put your cuff onto that. Okay, they have a longer length so that it comes down and kind of blouses up and then creates the cuff. But I think the amount of fabric the textbook recommends is a little bit more than you actually need, as in most cases. All right, so then once you have this, you have two ties. The one that attaches to the overlapping side is approximately 24 inches by whatever amount of bow you've created. Let me get the rest of this pulled out.
Are the measurements in the textbook?
They are not. I'm giving you that. There's a lot the textbook leaves out. But basically this one should be about 24 and the longer one should be about 38. And I cut mine 4.5 to 5 inches wide, doubled. And so you're gonna have this part of your bow is gonna show here. And the one that attaches to the other side is going to actually be placed underneath. Try and get that to stay. It's gonna go underneath and it's gonna come out the hole that you place right here. So you sew the waist together to the bodice. About a 1/2 inch above that, you leave an opening for this piece to pull through, this longer piece. And then it's gonna be, I'll just hold it back for now. Then once you come through that hole, the longer piece actually creates the way that it closes, and then you tie your bow. Okay, so the longer one for a size 8, you want 38 inches and 24 on this side. Okay, so 2 separate pattern measurements. If you want to just do one long one at 38 and then draw the line where you would cut for 24, you can do that rather than make 2 pieces. That would be fine. Again, just to show you how that wrap works, it's the same idea as this, and it's the longer one here. It goes through this hole on the side. Let me have it. I mean, you're small enough that this will be fine over your clothes. Okay, and it's a true wrap. So this one comes through here. And then she can tie it to where it belongs there. So go ahead and tie it.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.